In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from OneDrive, a popular cloud storage service where many of us keep our important documents, photos, and other files. Whether you're accessing your work on the go or simply need a backup, downloading files is a crucial task, and I'm here to guide you through the process with ease. First, let's go ahead and navigate to the OneDrive website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the OneDrive URL, which should land you on the login page if you're not already logged in. If you find yourself at the login page, enter your credentials to access your OneDrive account. Remember, your account is secured, so be sure to keep your information protected. Once you're logged in, you should immediately see the OneDrive interface, which is designed to be user-friendly. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find various options. Among these, there's the My Files tab. Go ahead and click on My Files. This section is essentially the heart of your OneDrive, where all of your uploaded documents and files are stored. After you click on My Files, you'll see a list of all your folders and files. Take a moment to locate the specific file or files you wish to download. Once you've found them, hover over the file name to reveal additional options. You will notice three little dots appearing to the right of the file name. These dots are typically called the More Options menu. Clicking on these three dots will present you with a drop-down menu filled with various options that you can apply to your file. Now, from the drop-down menu, you're going to want to choose the Download option. By selecting Download, you're essentially telling OneDrive to prepare this file for transfer to your local device. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, so just be patient while your download begins. Once the download has started, you can check its progress at the bottom of your browser window. If you're using a browser like Chrome, for example, your download will appear in the lower left corner. For others, it may show up in a toolbar at the top or within the browser's dedicated download section. Once the download finishes, you'll be able to access your file directly from your Downloads folder, on your computer, or by clicking on the Finish Download prompt from your browser. And there you have it, a straightforward way to download files from OneDrive to your computer. I hope this detailed walkthrough has helped you understand the process more clearly and given you the confidence to manage your files effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.